Hello everyone and welcome to this class. My name is Cecilia and in today's video we will be refreshing indefinite pronouns. These are words that we use when we don't want to say exactly who the subject or the object is. Here we can see a chart that has different entries. On the one hand we have one, body, thing, where and time. One and body we will use for people. Thing we will use, of course, for things. Where we will use for places, and time, of course, for time. And on the other side, on the columns, we have every, some, no, and any. Every means 100%. Some means 50-50. No means 0. But any is only used in negative and interrogative questions. Remember that we do not use no for negative because in English a negative and a negative means a positive. So if I say, for example, I don't know nothing, no sé nada, what I actually mean is that I know everything, because if I do not know nothing, in fact, I know everything. So using these two ways, you can make combinations. Everyone means todo el mundo, todas las personas, the same as everybody. Someone and somebody means alguien. No one and nobody means nadie. And anyone and anybody means alguien o también nadie, but I can only use it in negative sentences. Everything means todo, something means algo, nothing means nada, and anything is only used for questions and interrogative sentences. The same happens with everywhere. Everywhere means en todos lados. Somewhere, en algún lado. Nowhere, en ningún lado. And anywhere, the same, en ningún lado, but it can only be used for negative and interrogative sentences. And every time, todo el tiempo, sometime or sometimes, algún momento o algunas veces, never means no time, never, nunca, and anytime we only use for interrogative and negative sentences. So here we have some examples. Somebody or someone has stolen my pencil. I didn't speak to anybody or anyone all the week. Did anybody or anyone see you? No, nobody or no one saw me. I bought something for you. I didn't do anything today. Is there anything I can do for you? No, nothing. There's nothing you can do. Let's go somewhere tonight. We didn't go anywhere this holiday. Is there anywhere to park? No, nowhere. There's nowhere to park. And also, please bear in mind that we use any when it doesn't matter who the thing, the person, the place, or whatever is. For example, you can come any day. It doesn't matter which day you come, it's gonna be fine. You can come any day. Anybody can come to this bar. It doesn't matter who you are, you can come. Anybody can come to this bar. I can sleep anywhere. It doesn't matter where I sleep, I can sleep anywhere. And you can bring anything. It doesn't matter what you can bring anything. So beautiful people, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have found it useful. If you still have doubts, please do not hesitate in asking them to your teacher. And thank you very much again for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye!